what's up guys? Today we're going to be unboxing the CVLIFE tactical rifle bag. So I've got it here in a box today. We're going to take a look at this guy. Alright, so this rifle bag came packed up in that box and wrapped in this plastic, so we're going to take our time getting all this stuff off, making sure not to cut anything. Alright, so this is the CVLIFE black tactical rifle bag. First thing I'm noticing here is it's got some laser cuts for MOLLE. You can put any sort of attachments. Looks like it came with a patch. So black and white, kind of subdued looking flag on some Velcro. That's pretty cool. We'll go ahead and work our way inside. And I'm going to open up the front pocket just to take a good look. So here we have the front pocket, which looks like it's got a bag strap that you would attach later. A couple of nice little pockets, and we'll get some close-ups of those in here in just a second. But it looks like something you can put like binos in, maybe like a range card, something like that. And we're going to the second pocket here. Some more pockets, nice big pockets. Like I said, rangefinders, bino. I could fit a nice book in here, and then you've got a 2 mesh storage pockets. That's pretty nice. Might put some like Sharpies, maybe some targets folded up. That'd be what I would do. Personally, if I was gonna use this bag for anything, it'd be for my my long range guns. So I'll be thinking about anything like that. But if you were doing something like an AR platform, you could put some tools in there and whatnot. So let's go ahead and go into the big internal pocket. The zippers seem to be good quality. They're also lockable. They've got these little loops inside the zipper portion. So opening this guy up, I'm seeing it's a dual rifle bag. It's got a slot where you can easily cinch down your rifle. I actually like these Velcro loops. You've got big and small, so that seems pretty convenient. And then you've got a couple of little like larger than MOLLE loops that you could attach some stuff into, and maybe somewhere you could throw the buttstock of the gun or even the barrel without it getting messed up. And then here we go again with another side of the same thing. So that's pretty nice. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to throw a rifle in here and see how it feels with a little bit of weight. All right, so now I have a rifle in here. It's just a standard Remington 700, something I use for my long range stuff. And it's got some handles on the top here. If you were trying to suitcase carry it in this manner, and that looks just fine. Some backpack straps, we'll try those out real quick. So, pretty good. I mean, pretty good overall. Like, you even have a chest strap, which which it actually seems like you could adjust this. It's in MOLLE, so it stays put, which I actually think that's kind of a good idea. But I would probably adjust it a little higher to give me a better chest strap. But even if you had 2 rifles in here, I could see this being very comfortable, because it's quite comfortable right now. And then you got some handles up on the top of the bag. I'm not sure I mentioned that, but that would be super useful, especially if you had this in like the back of a pickup or the back of your SUV, and you just want to kind of pull it out and get to your rifle quickly. I could see that as being pretty useful. And you could also just carry it on the back side of your back with this one handle. So a bunch of good carry methods for this. And like I said, it's pretty comfortable. And this is just with one rifle. So this strap here came with the bag, and it's also for a crossbody configuration. You got these little D-loops where it connects into. Nice little pad. You got a D-loop on the other side. I'll connect them in just so you guys can see what this looks like. And then with the rifle in the bag, you would carry it in this orientation. So this one's actually the 46-inch model. And like I said, I've got a full-size bolt-action gun in here. It works just fine, no issue. I've got plenty of room. I really like the ability to cinch that down. This bag has tons of storage. Like I said, you could even put more storage on here with this laser cut molly if you wanted to. I think it looks pretty sleek. I think the pockets are sizable enough. You could put all kinds of assortment of like ammunition boxes, like I said, range finders, binoculars, whatever else you wanted to put in here, and it wouldn't be an issue at all. So yeah, again, this is the CVLIFE tactical rifle bag, and this is the dual bag, the dual rifle bag. So if you're looking for a rifle bag that will hold 2 long guns, even if you're looking for a different color, they have black, OD green, and coyote. So this is the largest size bag at 46 inches. They also have a 42-inch and a 32-inch bag. I'm assuming if you want to do a short barrel rifle, that's probably where I'd go, was a 32-inch bag or PCC, something like that. I'm sorry, 36-inch bag. But nonetheless, you could get it in different color variations as well. So this is that first pocket, and you have some interior pockets kind of on the outside of the flap. You got these nice big wide pockets. Like I said, you could put a bunch of ammo boxes in here, reloaded ammo, cases, binos, whatever. So this is the interior pocket between the smaller and the largest compartment. Same deal, except this one's mesh on the inside as opposed to the other one's not mesh. I like that. You can be able to see through to your pocket compartment where you got area for rifle number 1. Okay, and like I said, I really do like these straps. They're more sturdy than other bags that I've seen, and I like the ability to have one big strap to strap everything down with, and then you have this nice thick pad in case you wanted to put a second rifle in here. And this is removable. It's just removable by Velcro, so you could take this thick pad out between the two of them if you wanted to. I'd say overall the bag's pretty durable feeling. It's got some good material. So all the pockets seem to have lockable zippers, lots of room for extra stuff, and certainly enough room for 2 rifles. So I'd say it's a pretty nice bag.